Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Banjo Tooie on your personal computer. Emulation brings classic console titles to modern systems, offering a fantastic way to revisit your favorite adventures. To get started, you will need three main components: an emulator program, the game's digital file, often called a ROM, and a compatible game controller. This setup can provide an enhanced gaming experience with improved graphics and various customization options. First, let's select the right software. For Nintendo 64 games like Banjo Tooie, a popular and user-friendly option is Project 64. You can find and download this emulator directly from its official website, which ensures you get the latest, most secure version. Once downloaded, simply run the installer. Follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation process, typically taking just a few moments to set up on your system. Next, you will need the game itself. It is important to legally obtain the Banjo Tooie game ROM, ideally from your own physical game cartridge. Once you have the ROM file, place it into a clearly labeled folder, perhaps named Games, within your emulator's installation directory. After this, open your emulator and navigate to its settings. Here, you can adjust video resolution, audio output, and other preferences to tailor your gaming experience. Finally, let's get you playing. Connect your favorite game controller, whether it is an Xbox, PlayStation, or other compatible gamepad, to your computer. Within the emulator's input settings, you will find a visual representation of the Nintendo 64 controller. Carefully map each button from your physical controller to its corresponding function in the emulator. Once configured, simply select Banjo Tooie from your game list and double-click to start your exciting adventure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.